Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we will be seeing on how to get information from Wikipedia using Python. So first of all, I want you to install the package. It is pip install Wikipedia. Then after that, to check whether it's correctly installed, just write import Wikipedia. Then first off, let's set the language. So we'll do Wikipedia dot set underscore lang English, which is en. Then now let's search for a topic, which is results, sorry, results equals Wikipedia dot search. Let's search up something uh, random like cricket. Then after that, print search results. Then after that, comma, results. Simple. Now let's see how this will run. So we see this is what we have gained. How about let's search up something else like Python, let's say. So these are the key terms, as we can see. Like key terms, like if I search up Wikipedia on Python, sorry, if I search up Python on Wikipedia, then these are the things I see. We have Monty Python, which is a comedy serial, then you have Reticulated Python. So to improve your understandings, I will just do a really small thing. So this is Wikipedia. Now, if I search a Python, okay, so these are the main topics. Okay, so this is what, so currently we just have these headings, okay? Now, let's get a summary. How do we get a, no, that's not supposed to happen. My mistake is press shift enter. So summary equals Wikipedia dot summary of Python, or you know what, let's, how about we improvise this into topic equals input. What do you want to search? Okay, then it's to topic. It also topic. Now print summary. Just looking for the backslash and comma summary. Let's see how this works. What do you want to search? Let's search up Python programming language. It's specifying everything. So it says Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language. Its design philosophy emphasizes, okay, that's very long, not that long. It has a lot of moving with this. But if I were to do it in another programming IDE like Jupyter or Visual, it would come out. The text will be the same, but you won't have to do so much moving with this with your mouse. Now I want the full content. Full content. So page equals Wikipedia dot page topic, and after that print title page dot title, and then print URL snippet into page.url. Now, if you want a content snippet, we can do something really cool, which is ask character input. We need an integer, so int input. How many characters slash letters the page do you want print? Then we do print content snippet page dot content character. So this will print the first first characters, like how many characters the user wants. So I'm going to search up Python programming language. Okay, so this is the summary. Let's say I want to do I want to do 500 because probably don't have that much. Yeah. Oh, here we have the URL snippet. Why is this giving me? Oh, yeah, I just realized one thing. I had to add this. Apologies for my end. And this gives me the link of the Python programming language. You have to do this. Then 1 minute. Let me just see 500 on snippet. Python is a high level. Okay, as you can see, this is the entire first 500 letters. You can do 1,000, 2,000 as this is your request. So yes, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn some Python. And yeah, and in the next video, we will be seeing on how to uh, how to automate WhatsApp messages. This was a really popular video of ours, which got a whopping 2,800 views on May 27th, 2025, as of this date. Um, so yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay curious, stay rational, and keep coding. Goodbye.